Jetzt. Everyone, that was everything for today. Thank you again for Auto Center Beerfield to let us try this car.
And today's video was really short because we want to show you just how this car sounds, a little bit of how it drives, but it doesn't offer so much that we can tell you a lot of it and be very excited about, because in the corners this car you cannot really push it, so
Do not trust it on the corners.
it's the old school American car that just like to go straight, not in the corners. See you next time.
Stay
Don't
here.
forget to follow, subscribe in YouTube, like our videos, and check us in Instagram and in Facebook for more infos. And also we have TikTok. You can find more information about it
Exactly.
in Instagram and Facebook as well. So take care, guys. See you next time.
Stay healthy.